Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea. चाय गरम कड़ा. टी ول कीगी चाय था. Inform him. Inform him. Aha darsara khabar kड़ा. He is washing the dishes. He is washing the dishes. Aha luhi winzi. Dishes wal kigi luhita. Washing wal kigi winzalta. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Da pahpala wakda. Bring me some food. Bring me some food. Matalag made ravda. Let me work. Let me work. Makarta pregda. No one told me. No one told me. Hicha ratana divili. Someone told me. Someone told me. Yocha ratavili di. Sorry I got late. Sorry I got late. Bakhana gwaram nawakhta shwam. The food is ready. The food is ready. Dudai tayarada. What do you mean? What do you mean? Sta څه مقصد دی؟ یعنی ستا څه مطلب دی؟ Can you hear me? Can you hear me? ته زما غږ اورې؟ Come inside. Come inside. دننه راشه. Do you have cash? Do you have cash? ته نغدې پیسې لرې؟ یعنی ستا سره پیسې شته؟ Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. هیڅوک پوره نه دي. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. جامې دې واغونده. There was a storm last night. There was a storm last night. تېره شپه طوفان و. I hate you. I hate you. زه له تا څخه نفرت کوم یا کرکه کوم. هیټ نفرت ته ویل کېږي یا کرکه ته. Do you have brothers? Do you have brothers? آیا وروڼه دې شته؟ Yes, I have two brothers. Yes, I have two brothers. هو زما دوه وروڼه دي. یعنی زه دوه وروڼه لرم. What is his name? What is his name? د هغه نوم څه دی؟ His name is Habib. His name is Habib. د هغه نوم حبیب دی. My hand is clean. My hand is clean. زما لاس پاک دی. I read a book. I read a book. زه کتاب لولم. Mom made tea. Mom made tea. مور چای جوړوي. I am going to Karachi. I am going to Karachi. زه کراچۍ ته ځم. Who's going with you? Who's going with you? تاسو سره څوک ځي؟ My father is. My father is. زما پلار دی. father ویل کېږي پلار ته. In which class do you study? In which class do you study? تاسې په کوم ټولګي کې زده کړې کوئ؟ I study in 7th class. I study in 7th class. زه په 9م ټولګي کې زده کړې کوم. To which side does the sun rise? To which side does the sun rise? لمر د کوم لوري څخه راخیږي؟ یا لمر یا لمر. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. لمر د ختیځ لوري راخیږي یا د مشرق لوري راخیږي.